In this video, we are going to manage our secrets in a secure way. So by secrets, I mean the infura URL, so you should keep it for yourself because infura does some rate limiting. So if you share it with other people and they use it too much, then you might lose access to infura. And secrets is also the private key of your address, and we're going to need this later in this tutorial. So currently the way we manage our infra URL is by just hard coding it in the code, but that's really not safe because maybe at some point we're going to commit our code to GitHub accidentally and everybody will see our secrets, and so that's very dangerous. So instead, what we can do is to put our secrets in environment variables. Environment variable are some sort of metadata that you can give to any software. For example, in the command line, let's say that I run a script node index.js. It's also possible to specify some variable like var equal whatever, and after in index.js I will be able to read this value here, whatever. But the problem is it's not really convenient to type your secret like this as environment variables. So there is a nice npm package that is called .env, and that is very good at managing secrets. So with .env, it adds another way to create an environment variable by creating a .env file, and it's going to read this file and make it available to your Node.js program. So I'm going to show you how it works. First, we're going to install .env, so npm install .env, and after we're going in Visual Studio Code and we're going to create a new file .env, and we're going to create an entry infra URL equal, and here we take what we have here in .env file, remove the quote. Okay, and after back in run arbitrage here, we're going to access this environment variable with process.env.infra URL. And lastly, we need to run a command in order to load the value of the environment variable inside process of infra URL. So for that, we do require .env.config, and after everything that is below this line, we can use process.env, and it will load everything that we have in the .env file. And now it's much more secure. And of course, if you use Git in order to add this to your code repository, then you need to add an entry in your git ignore in order to ignore this .env file and not commit it. Okay, so now our secrets are managed in a secure way. So we're going to stop here. And in the next video, we're going to use a WebSocket to listen to the new block of the Ethereum blockchain.